Okay, today I'm going to do a short video here on solving equations when you have to combine like terms. So the first thing to remember is that like terms are anything that have the exact same variable. For example, 3x and 6x are like terms. So when I'm adding them, all I have to do is add the 3 and 6 together and keep the x. The variables are like objects. So if I have 3 of them, I get 6 more. I've got a total of 9 of them. Works the same way with subtraction. 10y minus 4y is going to give me 6y. So that's what combining like terms is. Now I'm going to use that with solving equations. So the equations you had for homework tonight were ones that had something like this in it. You'd have a 5x plus 3x minus 12 equals 60. And what we're going to do is start off by combining the like terms that we have. So we combine the 5x and 3x, and that'll just give us 8x minus 12 is still there, equals 60. Once I've done that, now I just have a two-step equation to solve, which we've solved a bunch of these this year. Remember that I always do the opposite operation on both sides. And remember that when we have a two-step, we're going to follow the order of operations backwards. So I'm going to get rid of adding and subtracting first. So I'm going to add 12, doing the opposite to both sides. That gets rid of the 12s over here. They're 0, negative 12 plus 12. So I'm left with 8x. On the other side, I have 60 plus 12, which will give me 72. So now I just have one step. I have a multiplication problem. So I'm going to do the opposite and divide by 8 on each side. And 8 divided by 8 is 1. 1 times x is x, so that's all I have left on the left side. 72 divided by 8 is 9. So the important thing to remember is when I finish solving an equation, I always have to go back and check it. In order to check this, I'm going to take my answer and I'm going to plug that back in to the very top, the original equation. I'm going to plug it in place of both the x's up there. So my check is going to be 5 times 9 plus 3 times 9 minus 12. If I have a calculator, I can type all this in one step and I'll have the answer. If I don't, then I just have to do this by hand. 45 plus 27 is going to give me 72 minus 12 is 60. So if I look back up here, that is the answer I wanted to come up with was 60. Since I did, I know my answer is right. And my answer will be x equals 9. So that's how you solve equations when you combine like terms. Combine them first. You should end up with a two-step equation. Follow your rules of doing the opposite on both sides and follow the order of operations backwards. And always make sure you do a check.